Hello everyone, my name is Hickory Dickory Dick. This is just a random question. For my, ano nga tawag doon? Research paper ba yun? Research paper. Mahilig ba kayo mag-send ng attachment sa kahit sa social media? Yung PPT, Excel, Word, and PDF files Baka kung ano na yung nasa isip mo. Ikaw okay. Bakit sabi nila may attachment ka na naman? Nakakatakot ng buksan, 'cause we don't know what's the laman. Nung una sabi ng mind ko I won't mind, pero paano ko malalaman ang laman ng file na yan? But this one's important talaga. And it's been just 4 months, 14 days, 3 hours, ilang minutes ba? Seconds pa. Sorry, di ko na makompute by Spherica, but I'm sure this love is radical. O bakit sabi nila may attachment ka na naman? And so I'm sorry if I'm wasting your time, but I hope you know I'm not wasting mine. For what's worth more in this life are the attachments I send for the peeps that I care about. Girl, I stay. I'm not going away, because I will choose. 'Cause in you I found a reason. To stay and never go away. I beg your pardon, mi amor. This might be really Capricorny. Pero, di ba, ganun naman dapat ata ang love? OA na kung OA. Corny na kung corny. Basta, sure ka sa feelings mo,